First time going down the stairs and I'm doing laundry. Do you hear the machine? I'm doing laundry on Christmas, okay? Everyone's downstairs waiting on me. Oh, that's Precious. This is Christmas morning in the Albornoz household. I need coffee. They're too early for me. I need coffee. I need a house coat. I just got on the cardigan. I need a house coat. For someone that's always cold, you would think that I have. So this year, I'm going to do things a little bit different because my sister's coming over. So I'm going to have the kiddos open up their gifts before breakfast. Usually I do breakfast and then we do gifts. This time, I'm going to do gifts and then breakfast because I'm waiting on my sister to do breakfast. Because we're making a Jamaican dish. I can't soft dish with fried dumplings. So I think I'm going to do this one. Merry Christmas, guys. You can pause so we can do, find out who has who. We can do the stockings. So we're going to, Maddie, where's your stocking, baby? Go get your stocking. You brought her stocking? Come. It's down here. Come on. Oh, God. We're going to start with the littlest ones first. We're going to figure out who has who. So, Madison, you had Jordan. So you give your stocking to Jordan. All right. Next is, sit. Jaxson. Who did you have, Jaxson? Jason. Next is Destiny. Who did you have? You had her again this year. She had her last year and the year before that. Okay. And Jordan, who did you have? I did. Oh, didn't he have you last year? Yeah. He did. Yes. Okay, Jason, who did you have? Oh, I knew you had me. I was like, all these random stuff he's picking up. I knew Rob had me. Like, who uses comb?
No, you gotta go through your bag. It's interesting.
It's weird.
You know the sad part about it? I forgot to stuff a stocking. And guess what? I had Destiny. But I forgot to put the stuff in the stocking.
Jason got me and
So I'm just going to bring the bag off the top of the
fridge.
The refrigerator. It's just been one of those years. Okay, Destiny. I apologize. It's not a stocking.
And this. And there's more.
Here you go, honey.
Oh, and I made you a bracelet.
I'm so sorry. But I do have a bag for you under the tree that I prepped just in case I would have forgotten. Okay, Destiny. This is the bag I prepped for you. Here you go. Hope you like everything that's in there.
That's indoors?
No, it's a little hot. I think it's hot chocolate or something, but it had the whisk on it. I was like, but I did get you what are those things? Macaroons? Yeah, the ones you like, and I ate them one day. I was feeling kind of, so I ate them. They weren't all that good. They were nasty.
I like this.
Madison, I also prepped your bag, sweetie. Here's your bag. Look. You can look at all your goodies, okay?
This is supposed to smell good.
Boys, I have... let me sort the stuff first and then give y'all stuff, okay? Madison, I did not know you collect backpacks.
This is really nice.
But I got you a brush just like your sister.
You did?
Where's the brush? Where's your brush?
Ooh, I like
no, I got you a brush right behind you.
Oh.
I got you a brush.
I remember those when they came out.
You just like your sissy.
It brushes out all the way.
But the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
All right, so we done sorted all the gifts and piles. We have Mr. Rob over there. We have my gifts here. Jaxson has his pile. Maddie has her pile. This one over here, I don't know how she got so many, but for some reason she got a lot. The twins are over here. This gift is to all 5 kids. To all 5 kids. Who want to open it? Come over here.
I'm gonna start opening my gifts.
No, not yet.
Oh, your chain can pop out of it.
What is that?
Yeah, so good.
Oh, a Yeti cover.
Yes.
The cup I don't have.
You really don't have that cup. Somebody get the Where's his bone? Give him his bone.
He already took it.
He took it? Okay.
Red.
Feels like a
Set. Go.
Go.
No chance.
What is it?
more
That's so 50,000.
Legos.
I mean, 1,500.
Yeah, so you guys can just go to town. Because y'all don't keep the sets anyways.
I know which one is Lego.
Let's go.
I was going to give it to Jason, but then I was like, everybody else played with it. So I was like, why not do a family
Go
gift?
into my basket.
I'm a savage like that.
At least it's not gray.
So the first child that's going to open their gift is Destiny. Open that one right there.
There you go, kid. Now you
It
got
looks
the
weird. It looks like a water bottle.
I know where the fuck's
Is this a hat?
It's a beanie. You asked for it.
A beanie?
You said you wanted the one with the pom-pom.
Oh, it's so soft.
Moving on. Maddie, pick a gift.
Moving on.
Here,
Oh,
do this one. Pick this one. No, pick this. Pick this one, the little one.
shoot. How do I get it out of the thing?
Let's start with the dial.
Wait, Jason.
This is cute. I like this.
Wait. What is it, baby?
It's cute. What is it?
Oh, there you go. You got it, girl.
Mommy picked your first gift.
Turbo!
Thank you.
Turbo!
You're welcome. Jordan.
Oh, I got a FedEx box. Yes.
What is that?
I always wanted my own FedEx box.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm so done with you, Rob. Jordan, you can open. No, you can open this one.
Open it. What's inside?
This looks like Halo.
Halo? Jason,
This is Halo.
you can open that one.
I've heard that, I've seen them, the cover.
Take your time and see if I slap
Oh, I
you.
can't? No, it's just
Get to go faster.
digging.
Nobody wants to wait on
I think I'll like this. Ooh,
Nice.
you. What is it?
nice.
It's a game.
Muscle gun.
All right, who's next? Destiny? Just grab a gift.
Got them games they never heard of.
Okay.
Maddie, grab a gift. Jaxson, grab a gift.
Do I open it?
Yeah.
I got FedEx paper.
No. Small one, Papa.
Yeah.
Draw in the air.
Small to big.
Draw in the air.
It's a game. You love playing game.
Dictionary. Draw in the air. Ooh, this is cool.
What is that, Maddie? An LOL doll.
That's just cool. Jason, I'm gonna be drawing in the air, and you won't know what I'm gonna
What is it, Papa?
Thank you.
What is it?
It's a game.
It's a game? Which game is it?
Me too.
Which game is it?
Say Jackson gets my rock.
Yes, that's what you asked for, buddy.
Gosh, it's so annoying. I can't even tell you. I've been saying like years.
Pick a gift. Jaxson, open this one right here. That one. Yeah.
There's another. Mommy. There's another CD.
Open it. I want you to open it. Babe, watch Jason open this gift. Babe, watch Jason open this gift.
Whoa. So thoughtful.
What is it?
Needles.
Oh! I didn't know that. I thought it was a toy or a
It's
candy.
pants needles.
There you go.
It's a
Oh, I always wanted this, Mom.
Yep.
Pants noodle,
It's gonna be noodles.
boxers.
Yeah. It's gonna be noodles.
Now you got your shirt. Now you got your drawers. We just need to get you some pants. Pick a gift, Papa. No. You can open this one.
My beanie is so cute. This is my favorite present.
Don't rip the boxes. I want to save them for next year.
What is that, Dad? Adidas. You got Adidas. Adidas.
I think you want you.
Is that Adidas? What if there's no Adidas? Those are
Oh, I forgot to see Daddy's reaction. Babe, I didn't even see your reaction with your Adidas.
They go with my Adidas thing.
Yeah. I hooked you up because last year they were making fun of you because you got Reeboks, Just Do It, Nike, Adidas, all together. So this year I figured I would just, just do one. And be so you're not out in these streets looking like,
You set me up.
who did it and why.
Yeah,
So you're so welcome. I wouldn't dare do that. I wouldn't dare do that.
Where'd you get all these boxes from? They're all mangled up.
I don't know. It came in the mail that way. Maybe it's the mailman that throws stuff. Probably threw your box. Go ahead. No. Start with the big boxes. Those. Yeah. I want you and your brother to open these big boxes together. I want to see y'all reaction. What did you get?
I got a cool
You got an outfit?
a box.
Adidas.
Now you guys are joining the Adidas club. Judge. You guys are joining the Adidas club. Oh, now you want the shoe. Oh, okay. Now they want the whole outfit.
Mom,
Oh, what are those? You wanted Nike?
I want Nike. Oh my gosh, I win every year. What is this? I want Nike, Mom.
You did not ask for Nike, son.
It's so weird.
Sarcastic.
I don't give a crap about his sarcasm. We can take. Yes, you may open that up, buddy.
May I open it?
Yes, you may open that one.
Where are you going to open your gifts?
Father.
After everyone, so I can sit down.
Huh?
After everyone, so I can sit down.
I will use the pink one.
There you go.
No, open the those.
Hey,
Yeah.
look. Call of Duty Modern Warfare Remastered. It's weird.
Weird?
Looks like a mobile game.
I don't know.
Bill Central. Why didn't
I got you guys a bunch of cheap games so you guys can try out. What did you get?
Yeah.
This one I got cheap too.
Oh, okay. Maddie, get another gift, baby.
You can keep opening it and she's just sitting there. This feels like a book.
She's so sweet. She's like, I'll wait my turn. Huh?
She said, wait.
I could watch her open gifts all day. Like, just sit and watch her. Because she's so grateful for everything.
This is like the Grinch who stole Christmas was the girl who
Another one.
She's gonna hide her and touch it.
Oh.
Keep going. Just save this big one right here. Everything else you can open. You recognize that, Papa? You asked for that. You're so welcome. The yeah, gaming headset for his PS4.
A mic, do you have a mic on it too?
You ask the kids the other day, they open a gift, like, what's
You can go again, mommy. Let's have it. Go again. Get another one, mama. Get another one.
Are these lip gloss?
No, get the small ones. Get the small ones.
I like this.
You like that? I knew you would.
Y'all have to be
That's all you heard.
Save this big one for last. I want to see your reaction.
The big one for last.
Yeah, save the big one for last. I want to see your reaction.
Why do you want to see my reaction? I don't like being recorded. So
Is this a scrunchie?
No, I want to see your reaction.
oh, that's nice.
Jaxson! I know.
Yeah.
Maker.
Hey,
All the scrunchies in the world.
So I can wear with my Adidas.
Yep.
I gotta make it.
It was showing me how to make. That's why it's just.
No, you remember from when we started the other day.
Yep.
Mommy.
That's a fabric.
What, baby?
Sweatpants. They
Sweatpants?
know me so well.
Isn't that what you asked for?
Yes.
Wait till I slap you.
I could.
They know me so well, Father.
Now I can open these.
Yeah.
What
You so comfortable in it.
You picked a good hoodie.
Oh, you like your hoodie? Okay. That's what you guys asked for.
Is this another basketball maker?
What happened? What happened? Your Vans. You asked for that. That is Vans. Yeah, it is Vans. Open it up. Show him. That's what he asked for. He asked for
Yeah. You have another
Oh, you found the bottom. You found the socks too.
On the socks.
And so you got socks, shoe, pants, shirt. I just didn't get you a hat
Thank you.
or boxers.
These are color changing LED
But who cares?
thingies. Oh, I saw that.
That's what you asked for, headphones.
Father, look.
They're LED.
Over the ears, right?
Yeah, a PlayStation shirt.
PlayStation 1.
I saw that at TJ Maxx. I said,
But I had already got it. I had already bought it. So I was like, when you said that, I was like, how does she know Jaxson so well? Because I already bought that.
these are color changing LED.
Another LOL dog?
Another one? Oh my gosh. I wonder what's up with these LOLs.
I'm picking a small.
Where'd you get so many LOL dogs?
Okay.
This looks like a shoebox.
It's a shoebox.
It's like a shoebox.
It's a small shoebox. Okay, go ahead. That's for you and your brother. I want you and your brother to open that together.
I did not do it in the front. Rubber band bracelet making things.
You asked for craft stuff, so I saw that and I was like, oh, right up Destiny Alley.
Let me see.
I saw you asked for the one with the roses, and I bought everything that had roses on it. So if you're not happy and that's not the one, buddy, then I don't know what to tell you because I bought everything with roses on it.
Yeah.
There go another van with roses, cause
When should it break? I saw it first. I was like, cut.
This doesn't say UGG on
yeah,
it.
you asked for sweatpants, huh?
It's gonna say hug on it?
Yeah,
How did you know it's gonna say hug on it?
because it's brown. Finally, your shirt looks nice. Sorry, man. Do with this last gift. Just leave it there. They have the bows on the back.
Yes, like the one you ripped up about a year ago.
The tree did it.
The tree did it, right?
Treat it.
Turn it around, let me see the back. Nice.
And it is from
Yes, it is.
Wait, what do you thought about your Walmart boots? She all tied that. Open that one, mommy. Go.
What's that? What's the one that you gotta open together? That's the one? What is it?
No, sit. All right, now you can go ahead and open 20. My twin boys. I am so proud of y'all.
what's in there?
Ah, Your very own. What is it, Jason? Whoa! Look at that. Now y'all can leave my blankets alone. Huh? You so
Jonathan had one of those. Jason.
That's great.
Jason.
look at that. Now y'all can leave my blankets alone. Thank you. Now you're nice and warm. See? Leave my blankets alone.
No, it's
Dragging around my blanket like y'all are 5 years old.
Yeah, Jordan, don't do that.
Yeah, it's 5 years old. Clean your area, people. Clean your area.
Okay, so we're down to the last set of gifts. Everybody seems to be happy with what they've unwrapped so far.
Nice jeans.
You like those? Do you see a trend here? You got an outfit, a whole outfit. So you can be stepping out in these streets like, wow, my mommy done hooked me up. Nice and soft. All right, Rob, dig in.
Do it. Do it.
Do it.
Do it. Do it. Jason, say it, Jason. Do it.
Another FedEx box.
I can't with you. You're stupid.
Another FedEx box.
While you figure out how to get into your FedEx box, Maddie, Maddie, here, open another gift, baby. Here, there's several other little boxes.
But it's a bigger one.
Yeah, figure out how to get into your FedEx box, and I'll be right back. Jackson, go ahead, baby. What is it? Are they headset?
PlayStation VR.
I know, right? Did I tell y'all I was gonna hook him up? I told y'all I was gonna hook my dude up.
Yeah.
All right, who's ready? Jason, there's 2 parts to your gift. Sit down. Merry Christmas. Really?
Give me a goddamn air fryer.
What is it? What is it, Papa?
You need to get yourself an air fryer. Air fryer shit. I don't even want this gift.
Wait.
What is it?
Liz, I got you an air fryer. But then the other day you were like, who uses air fryer? I was like, shut up. What are you talking about? Get you an air fryer. It's apparently it's really good. Cause you like to fry stuff. So I was like,
Open?
at least you have a, no, sit.
I have an idea.
Did you get the case?
I like it.
This looks cool.
You know how to do it?
Huh?
Here, open this one first.
What, that?
Oh,
This
that's
one.
what it means. Casey.
You asked for a Uno, right? Uno.
Now I can do that for Uno.
We can actually, yeah, we can actually do
It's
that.
not really really hard tonight.
Huh?
I don't know what this is.
You don't know what it is? Huh?
It's a case. So you
Ah.
A case for what?
Guys.
Oh, I forgot. I bought the wrong. Oops.
What?
No breaks.
Oh, no, it's
Ooh,
fine.
why-
It's the same thing.
It's quality.
No, I
What?
bought that. There was no reason for. Did you get one like that? Open it.
I'm not sure.
Oops.
Oopsie poopsie.
Oops.
That's right.
Oopsie whoopsie poopies.
I bought that before I knew that they didn't have the stuff to go into that.
It's a minute twice.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
I think
yeah.
that's my turn.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I thought I was gonna get you guys Nintendo, but
It's the same.
yeah, but I guess I'm gonna have to return it and get my money back. You know, just like how you have a remote to something that you don't have.
No, I got it because I went for Jackson.
Yeah, but why are we gonna have empty case and oops, my bad. All right, y'all can open. No, wait for your brother. Open that one, Jason. Right there.
This?
Yes. Sit down.
Wait. What about the other Nintendo Switch?
Ready, set, go.
Yeah, I knew.
I knew Nintendo. I knew it.
No, I thought you said it was sold out.
I did say it was sold out.
They put it back. They're not sold anymore.
Oh, no. I don't need Jaxson anymore.
Wait,
You already knew you had it, Jason, because you told your grandmother to get accessories to go with it. So yeah, whatever.
Oh, Jordan, you?
The games are right there.
because
The game is right there, buddy.
this?
No, right there.
You?
I could prove that you got me this and this. I knew that this
No,
the
you
mystery
can buy
present
it.
was,
I got it because
and this tiny little thin CD case. Yeah.
Okay.
I got the controller because if I ain't getting the Nintendo Lite, I'm not gonna wait a whole time.
Oh, it's in one TV.
Gauge me.
It's a
Just
present.
getting that controller.
It's a jacket.
It's a jacket.
Yeah. What game you got? I like this one. I like this one.
We have one more child. Maddie, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on.
The fuzzy on it or no? No, I thought it was fuzzy on it.
She's just over here organizing her stuff. Open. Open that one.
I didn't know.
Yeah, open that one. You're gonna love that one, Mama.
Heavy.
You're gonna love that one, Mama.
Father, you know email?
Huh?
You know email.
What?
You know email.
What are you pointing at?
Yeah, I know.
Huh?
I don't know.
What about your email, Jason?
Babe, didn't you say that? Like, these kids are gonna... Look at her face. Babe, look at her face. Look at her face. We were in Walmart. She was like, Mommy, can you get me one? Mommy, get me one. I was like, no. Let's go. Look at her face. She was so disappointed. I was like, no.
That one, Maddie.
What is that, Mama? Oh, really? Do you like it? Someone get that paper from her. I know. You saw it on TV? Oh, wow. Did you want it when you saw it on TV? Yeah? Oh, I'm happy that you got it.
Yeah.
All right, the bottom box. Give her the bottom box. No, the bottom one. The bottom one. No, not that one. The bottom. No. That one. That one. Open that one.
Why do I keep opening them like this?
She said they look fun. They look
They look like the
I like this.
You like that? I told Daddy you would. I was like, I kept on looking because all the other ones didn't have the zipper. All they had was the little thing, and you were like, I don't like those. I want it to zip. So I kept on looking and looking, and I found it. Open.
It's not a toy.
It's not a toy. It's
father. You smell my father?
it's an outfit.
Smell that?
Can you try to
You like that?
can you transfer my account from the PS4 to that?
Yes, you can.
A unicorn outfit, baby. You can wear that today.
No longer need your Nintendo.
What is it? Oh, I thought it was.
Nope. It's one of those thing like Jackson, the one that wraps around.
Yeah.
Oh, why do you have the same color?
And she can wrap it around a backpack or something.
Copy gray.
All right, put that stuff back and
Yeah,
do
about 15 minutes.
Sure.
Well,
do that box.
the time.
I like it. Yes, baby. It's a brush. All right, put that back and then get your stuff. You out of gifts, Stephanie? All done?
I'll finish.
All finished? Okay.
Me too, because I got less gifts.
Everybody's done?
Nope.
Everybody's happy with what they got? Yes?
Thank you.
You're so welcome. Open that one.
Now we're broke.
No, this one. This one. This one.
This one.
This one. This one.
You almost halfway opened it.
Okay, don't open it.
Don't worry. I know.
They got it. I never show the difference.
I got gray. Talk about the little people.
You asked for that, did you? Did you ask for that? Yes. All right, get your big one. Get your big one, because I know you want that big one.
She wanted that. I know.
Watch out, Jack.
Jaxson.
Huh? No, I only have two. I have this one is my gray one. What is it, Matt? Matt, what is it?
Still going. Oh, no.
You want to turn it?
American Girl Camper? Something like that.
Oh, pick it up. Oh, this is a grill. A drive-thru truck. You like it?
You're so welcome.
Oh, yeah. They come with a cleaner.
You come with a cleaner?
They see me wipe the screen off.
Okay.
My baby.
You're so welcome, baby. I love you. I love you so much. I would do it again in a heartbeat.
Mommy, now it's your turn.
Okay.
We're going to this one.
I'm excited.
Got you.
You excited for me?
Yes.
I want to.
Apparently it's my turn.
Yes.
So
I'm excited for you.
I don't know what the heck Rob done. I don't know. I never trust Rob with gift giving. I never trust him.
Excited.
Never trust him. But we gonna see what's in these packages, cause it could be the whole kitchen appliance.
I'm in
the camera. I'm like, my whole fast stuff is in the camera.
I'm just gonna sit here. Nice on stoop. Well, I didn't figure out why they no. I went the back side. My mother shake.
Wait.
My mother shaky. Oh,
What is it?
to mommy from Big,
That's it.
from Sugar Daddy.
What's like that?
I wonder what.
It's a
More
box.
FedEx. What's up? We gotta be husband and wife, cause we love wrap
Yo, you have a Yelp, you know, right?
stuff in our region.
You know where it is?
Wrap. Oh, from Sprint.
Can you just, I can have a soap for my case.
Is it your apple watch?
So I don't have a case. We knew it.
feels
You
so
know what?
weird.
Oh my gosh.
It's so weird.
Two?
Okay, thank you.
Two?
Because I'm used to the humps on here.
Look at that stuff.
Sorry.
What is this?
I don't know.
To Grinch mommy.
Oh.
To Grinch mother.
Grandmother.
4,
I want the left side. Why?
I didn't write that. She wrote it.
No, you did.
3,
Who wrote?
I wrapped it.
Who wrote?
7.
Oh my gosh! Thank you.
Exclamation point.
That's because the watch is black.
Because the watch is black and you couldn't
Where
get the
is it?
color I
Right.
wanted. That's so thoughtful, honey.
look.
Let me figure out. You're getting better at this gift giving thing. All
Well,
right, thank you.
That one.
Is this another appliance to
I
go
don't
with
I don't know.
the air fryer?
I don't remember what's in these
She
things.
doesn't remember anything.
I wrapped them a long time ago.
Is this said from your pimp? Oh, what's up with us and giving appliances?
I don't know.
You said you wanted a crock pot.
I did send him.
Crock pot.
Crock pot.
Well, my crock pot broke, so I did need.
A crock
This
pot.
is the Arth in hand
Yes.
crock pot. All right, thank you.
Oh, where's the tank?
Okay, next one. For what? Pass it out. What? I forgot what
Don't do anything.
That look like shoes.
You can play a game. Don't do anything. Don't touch anything.
What was this
Grab the
here?
puzzle.
Me neither.
I don't remember what's in these boxes.
I forgot too.
This feel like shoes.
like a box.
Yeah, let me tell you, I see.
Tell us, bro.
Oh, these are the boots I asked for.
Oh yeah. Forgot.
I'm so cheap.
You did go for
I
it.
could have asked for a more expensive duck boot.
Could have.
I could have. I don't know why I went so cheap.
Look at those.
But there's
Wait,
always next
when we
year.
were at Target, we couldn't see your size, but they were right behind us.
Oh, really? Thank you, honey.
So we were gonna leave with that one, but
Yeah, I don't do it, bro.
next, Mommy just.
Pick 8.
I'm so excited.
I was like, 'cause I don't know what to do here.
I don't know what this
or
is.
something.
I'm out of.
I forgot what that was.
I only show. This is from Chris Tucker. I want the box like this. Chris, more box. Oh, no, couldn't take out something about that box.
Wow.
Chris Tucker. How do you know Chris Tucker?
Daddy, what is wrong with you and wrapping? What was that? A chunk of paper.
From Chris Tucker.
Again? Why? You know him?
From the Capital Area Food Bank.
Oh,
Mommy, you
Jesus.
should have opened it from here, right here.
Oh, this is open. Why I'm over here struggling and the top of the
Okay.
box open?
We don't know. Mommy.
Bro,
Oh yeah, I remember. Cause you're always cold. That's what I said.
yeah, she's always cool.
We
Yeah.
didn't know what socks to get you, so Daddy said if that doesn't fit you, something
Like-
wrong.
8.
Oh my gosh, thank you. That's really thoughtful.
And a blanket.
Oh, I wanted this blanket.
That was the only one
wanted
left.
this blanket.
And Maddie
I was
sat on
like,
it.
she did.
Yeah, she sat on it.
I wanted this so
You're
that I was
lucky.
gonna buy it.
What's in the blanket?
I forgot about that. Oh, yeah, that was mine.
Yeah, I didn't forget about it.
That was mine. Mine, that was mine. That's mine.
Oh, fun.
That's mine, seriously. It's mine.
That is
That's very nice.
That you gave it to her, not me?
Sweet. That's very nice. Oh, and the last one. I like this one. This is funny.
Okay, last but not least.
That one's funny.
Let's pick one of these. Let's pick one of these.
Mommy,
How
I
about
don't
these
trust
for a
this.
It's
8.
funny.
How about these for a minute?
It's funny.
Oh my God, man.
I don't know.
What? That's
funny.
him.
He doesn't even know too. I don't know what time's over in.
Right, Jerome.
Well, then.
I'm just gonna pick 8. I'm gonna pick Louisiana.
Slide that in the mess out of you because I don't trust Rob.
This is fun.
What'd you pick?
I'm not playing this year.
What'd you pick?
I'm not. Oh my gosh! I didn't fart. My ass blew you a kiss. Oh my
Ew.
gosh!
Wait, that's actually good?
That's funny.
I don't know where to put these collectibles. Last year it was the other one.
That's funny,
That
Daddy.
was
pick?
Spartan.
Pick mine?
That's
This
funny.
is what I got. Thank you so much, honey.
That's funny.
That was
Ah, funny, 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 funny. Funny, funny, funny. Now, you don't have to
Eastern.
watch your music when we
Eastern
watch
time.
your movie.
Eastern? Oh gosh. I picked
Oh my gosh! Thank you, honey.
Does
Very
she, does
thoughtful.
she like her AirPod Pros or her watch better?
No, I definitely gotta get your TV.
I know.
You didn't give him a TV?
I did.
Huh?
I did.
You did give him a TV?
He's gonna have to go pick it out.
Tell him to deliver it.
I don't know which one to get you.
The 75 inch one.
I don't know which one.
Yeah, I'm just gonna pick one.
You'd have to,
I'm gonna pick this though.
I want to open it.
Didn't you
What's
say you
better?
wanted a curve?
It doesn't say Eastern.
Yeah, that was the last one. And I said Mommy would like the darker one.
Thank you. Very thoughtful. Very thoughtful.
Dog. Oh, yeah. I thought they switched
Time to
OMG.
clean up.
Yes.
The least favorite part about this.
I know.
Mother.